but I wouldn't want to consult an AI doctor.
What is going on here?
Well, it's just a dome, right?
Yeah.
This is a later building. This is where the beginning of sustainability comes in. You build buildings that capture natural light.
Okay.
So that you don't have to light up the whole thing. So this is a college of science, and this is the School of Biological Science. So your chemistries and your biology is right there.
I love how we still got the Chinese medicine clinic.
You can walk in, and if you really want your acupuncture, if Western medicine doesn't work, you go in and have. So this is a real clinic.
I mean, I believe in the Chinese medicine myself. I must say,
So we trained undergraduates in TCM, right? Traditional, and then of course we partner with Peking University, where they go and do their real traditional practicum. So they come back, and of course you still need to be licensed, and they can practice as a TCM practitioner. So in one sense, we in our earlier years train, and we still do train TCM practitioners. Of course, for the Singapore, we still have some way to go before they recognize as part and parcel of the Chinese medicine. But I think they are pretty progressive right now. That certain of the government hospital may have certain branch. But finally, we have our medicine school. So the next building is called the experimental building. This is where the first freshman year of our medical school comes in, and then they do their freshman common course. After that, they go to Tan Tock Seng, where it is a teaching hospital. So all the NTU doctors, first stop is here.
I think what is interesting is the intersection of AI and medicine. Yeah. And what you've seen is a lot of rapid advancement where it would take a manual human process a lot longer to deliver a result. With AI, you can really fast track the different studies and that intersection of AI and medicine is, I think, going to leapfrog us as a species.
It certainly helps, and it is two professions that tremendously benefit. Medicine is obviously one very, very important that's cut across that. Of course, traditionally, when we, let's say, take our X-ray, we'll send it over to the radiologist, and kind of they read it, and certain things they don't understand, they still have to refer to medical books, flip and whatever, and come up with their diagnosis. Now with AI, and of course I caveat it, if we train AI well enough, many of these references would be readily available. It shortens all the diagnostic time, and finally, when they make a recommendation to the doctor, who still has to verify that the data or whatever is good and accurate. So it helps tremendously. But I wouldn't want to consult an AI doctor. So that's probably something that I don't think.
I think they've introduced a fully AI hospital in China.
I don't think we can go. Sorry.
I think they've introduced a fully AI-enabled hospital in China. If I remember correctly.
Okay.
Yeah.
I have to see it. I don't think there is the humanoid. No, I don't think I'll be talking to a humanoid, however lifelike. But actually my point is, yes, it helps so much in the medical fraternity, where we can just simply be able to.
But I think you're raising an important point, right? Which is, even with you, even with me, there's still a certain level of trust versus sticking to old school human specialist capabilities, right?
I can do this, which right now that I am very much into generative AI. I will prompt and ask the question. My point is now I can be a little bit more intelligent in understanding in absolutely quick time. And eventually, if I speak to a physician, I ask the correct question in front of the physician. This is what I read. This is what certain of the research do. This are wonderful. What do you think? Now I can have a more intelligent conversation.